comes the mini trucks. Second one in line is Jesse.
Joe Thomas in the 62. There's Jesse Cipra. The 326. The 517 is going to be David Wilson. He's from Lamont Furnace, Pennsylvania. The 028 is going to be Jordan Freik from Delphus, Ohio. The 14 is Sean Goldshot from Dayton. The 911, Steven Sickles from Uniontown, Pennsylvania. Number 2 in the Unified Point Series standings right now. Riley, that's Jeremy Riley from DeMossville, Kentucky. With him is going to be Brian Angel from DeMossville, Kentucky in the 336. Travis Coffey will be the 1506. He's from Muncie, Indiana. And Nathan Burgess in the 1504, also from Muncie. Craig Stafford will be aboard the C96. Joe Thomas, like we said, in the 62. Craig Stafford from Thomasboro, Illinois. Josh Jones is in the 26, another Muncie driver. Mount Blanchard, Ohio's Ed Decker is in the Decker machine. Then rounding it out from Illinois, Cameron Sudlin?
Yes, that's
Sudlin,
correct.
in the number 34.
Starting to roll out of the darkness in the back of the pit area here. I saw that truck earlier today in the mod mini truck line. So,
of course,
is it possible that this is the mod minis and not? But Jesse wasn't in the mod minis; he was in the regular compact trucks. I don't know what's happening. 44. Is 44 on here?
926. Some relationships are just complicated.
They certainly are.
On again, off again,
on again, on again,
on again, off again. So
this is possibly a mix of mini trucks.
These are the facts. There are trucks. That is all.
They are mini, and they are on the track. We'll work off a two drivers list.
Yeah, that's Robert Anderson. He's from Zanesville. He's the number 127. That's the only 127 that I saw on the combined lists.
Oh, good time.
I think we saw Ryan Barton pull out in the number 44. Andy Bort. I didn't see him. You can usually pick him out. Some combination of blue and yellow.
Yeah, yellow and blue.
Number 76 there. So, yeah.
We'll see what happens,
Yep.
Could be.
We'll all be surprised together.
So basically, just to sort of help you understand what's happening, fans, there was some confusion and some gray areas in some of the mini truck rules, and with the bash being canceled last year, people having trucks built to the previous rules, there was just some rule confusion, and so some guys were a little heavier built than others, and there was some question about whether or not they were going to be able to run. So then the decision was made to split the group and to create a mod minis division, basically to give a place for those heavier built trucks to run into. Then there was some dissatisfaction with that decision, and I think Smash It's just doing their best to accommodate these drivers that have trucks built and to try to get guys to run. So we'll see how it plays out.
Beat 91.2 is Chris Triplett from Caldwell, Ohio. Chris Triplett in the black and gray machine.
I was talking about the black and orange truck that had a mohawk.
Oh.
Look at that. And he's going nose out.
So we have
Luke, you're clear. Luke, you're clear.
Just had a little visitor here in the studio.
Hey, that was cool.
T-Brell.
Yeah.
Tony Brellinger, first one to show up with the Smith Metal Works.
Brellinger.
Yeah, I always get it wrong. I just
Brellinger.
I stick
I will
to it.
I will never forget that because I felt like garbage when you said, actually, you've been saying my name wrong for so long.
I stick to my mistakes as best I can. No, he's the first one to show up with the Smith Metal Works coloring book, and he got the throttle bracket. So
That's cool.
yeah, tomorrow we'll get a different giveaway. So make sure you're tuning in.
Compact King.
Yeah, he is the Compact King, T-Brell. And he actually won it for a friend, and he started to tell me the friend's name.
Andrew
and then,
Schilling, I believe.
Yeah,
you
there
said.
you go.
Alex
Alex.
Schilling.
Schilling.
So he's going to give it away, so that's cool. So, again, as we said when they were coming in, there was some confusion as to what was going on with this class. They're going to pull a couple of these trucks that were supposed to be in the regular mini truck class, and this will be the modified mini truck class. So, yeah, we'll get there eventually. Eventually, we'll have some small trucks out here making junk. It's not a big deal. You got to be a little bit more relaxed about this stuff. You know, it's Bash for Cash, man. It's back. Get on our level.
It's an enriching experience for everyone.
Yeah, it's good times.
So mod mini trucks, purportedly.
They are minis. They are
Josh
trucks.
Lewis from West Alexandria, Ohio, in the Bowman concession number 86. Justin Westfall from New Madison, Ohio, the number 44. The 471 is Nick Blake from Oxford, Ohio. The Groff Towing number false. That's a different thing. 923 is Aaron Anderson from Zanesville, Ohio. Another Zanesville driver, number 127, Robert Anderson from Caldwell, Ohio. Chris Triplett. And the B91.2, the 926 is Brian Triplett, also from Caldwell. Fisher, Illinois. Sublin Construction, number 34, Cam Sublin. Richard Hilton is in the 77. He's from Hamilton, Ohio. He's in the Exhaust Works, number 777. Andy Bort in the 76 from Swickley, Pennsylvania. And Ryan Barton in the number 44. So,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is what I see on the track right now. We're off by 1. Whatever. It's close enough.
that's where the scores are made up and the points don't matter.
Whose line is it anyway? Whose class is it anyway? It is the modified mini truck class. Fans at home, I hope you're having a good time with us because we're having a good time here at the Bash for Cash. Make sure you send us a message on our DTV Fan Chat Facebook page. Say hi. Say what's going on. Send us a picture of you watching at home. And we'll celebrate with you. Here's your countdown.
Green flag is out.
And they're off like a herd of turtles.
Yes. Yep. Whoa.
Wow.
Business just picked up. Boy, he cleared him. Cleared him
Mohawks
well.
mean business.
Yeah. That was Chris Triplett in that 91.2 machine. They're starting to use that track now. Got a couple cars tangled together. They're locked up down there at the far end. And
Oh,
there's
that's a problem.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, that's an issue. Pretty sure that's the truck that had a flat tire earlier today in the staging line.
No.
And now he's got bigger problems.
Just a few minutes in, and there's a good look at the 471. Nick Blake there from Oxford, Ohio.
He's going to need a little help to get some momentum moving again. I'd like to see these truck divisions run with four-wheel drive. We do that in New England. It's super fun.
Left front wheel laid over there on the other Superman vehicle. And it looks like we've got a situation developing there. He's having a tough time bulling his way out of that corner. Right now he's being flanked by that 471 of Nick Blake. The machine with a green sign on it, I believe that might be Brian Triplett in the 926. Idle out there on track, but it doesn't appear that he has taken the flag down yet. So these back and forth impacts that this blue truck with the laid over left front still maintaining contact, that is categorically bad, whatever's
Yes.
going on underneath there.
Not good whatsoever.
Looks like a broken drive shaft
Ooh.
on the Triplet machine, and you can see it continuing to sort of dangle and wave.
Don't fling it out from under the truck like that Utah video.
Nope.
Billy, I'm on you. Billy, I'm on you.
So complexion, since that red flag has changed dramatically with broken drive shaft, laid over front end, disabled vehicle, all of this down to the far left, and here we are. 923 Aaron Anderson. Blake has been able to get out of that corner, and then we've got the black and green number 127 of Robert Anderson. Looks like we very well might be down to 3.
This is its own feature, so we go down to the last truck running. Ooh. Oh man. Tanner Stamper watching from Eaton, Ohio. Duncan Cram from Vermont watching
Duncan.
at home.
Duncan's coming back in 2022. Conversations have already begun.
Yes. He's married now. Some beautiful young woman took pity on Duncan and married him. Can you believe that? No comment from Chris. He just sits there
I believe
stoically.
I believe love is a crutch for people too afraid to die alone, Steve.
Oh, jeez. Well,
What other philosophies would you like to explore?
let's not go there.
Looks like we are
got-
now down to 2.
157 and 923.
Yep. Aaron Anderson there. He's from Zanesville. And then that 127 of Robert Anderson. So,
Oh, going for a ride.
ride.
Look at the rear bumper
Drive
on that
out of it.
127. Yeah.
It's a pretty serious bumper.
Nice wheel shot.
Yeah,
Caught
going
the
after-
corner.
Yep. I almost think the bumper was too high, though.
Yeah, it went right over the top of the wheel.
Boy, he stiffened up for that. He's going to feel that tomorrow.
A little bit of horsepower.
A little bit.
Britton Leone, watching Bash and building my daughter's youth car, has
Yeah,
the
buddy.
show on in the shop.
Awesome.
Well, great shot from the Impact Area Products trackside cam. Came right into your living room with those trucks. Cody Thomas, watching from Fostoria, Ohio. They're sticking around home for their daughter's graduation. Otherwise, they'd be here at Bash. Down to 2.
Chess match continues. Another heavy hit.
Couple of tough trucks here. It seems like they're not afraid to get after it, but what are you going to do to hurt these things? You got to take a wheel off.
Yeah. Yep. Or this right here. Make him work the drivetrain. So playing into Aaron Anderson's hands. Aaron Anderson in the 923 from Zanesville. Robert Anderson in the 127 from Zanesville.
I just had this thought of like Dennis Anderson coming in
Yes.
Gravedigger.
Yep.
And here comes Gravedigger with a steel chair. Just comes rushing in from the pit area.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That would be cool.
That's just me being silly because, it's Bash for cash. Modified mini truck class, we worked it out. We eventually got there. And these guys have had some fun here today. They're battling back and forth. Uh-oh. That's a good catch right there.
Yeah, that was very good.
Both trucks showing a lot of steam now, but
Yep.
127 maybe a little bit worse for the wear here.
He's definitely been steaming longer. And
Just wave off. Nope. I mean, they're equally built. Looks like similar bumper heights. He said they're having a good time. That's really all that matters. Did it shut off? Sparks.
yeah, it's never good. I noticed some sparks coming off of the 127 a bit ago, but he's got those bead locks on him.
Yeah.
So I think it was just that, sparking off of stones or something in the track surface.
That's
Yeah, it just looks like the
awesome
pinion brake.
yeah.
Pinion brake might be seizing up on him.
That's a lot, though. That's possibly more than just riding.
That or if it's hung up.
Yeah.
If it's pinched closed,
You got
it's not releasing. I mean,
you got a rock stuck in the caliper or something.
you can see the glowing ring in there. There's, for some reason, something's getting pretty hot
Yeah.
in that circle. Shoving match continues.
Now we're leaving hot sparks and magma on the track.
Magma.
Yeah. They're gonna have to spray that with an extinguisher here in a minute.
They're watching.
I think it's seized enough that he can't move anymore.
Yeah, I think it's locked up.
That looks like a red flag. That looks like they do have pinion brakes on fire right
I think 127 decided that he won.
Yeah.